Clear? Order and degree. It is the question number 1. It has 3 parts. d2y dx2, second order, first degree. Second is that is maximum order का maximum power. It is d by dx. It is also d by dx. First order, but maximum power is 3. So first order, third degree. And degree 3 here, fourth order, but degree is not defined. When degree is not defined, when the differential coefficient comes in terms of sin d by dx, log d by dx, e to the power d by dx, or sin inverse d by dx. In this way, polynomial is not defined, so degree is not defined. ध्यान रखना. In this case, since polynomial is not defined, so degree is not defined. So this is the solution of this. Means fourth order. Order कितना होगा? 4. Degree not defined. Degree is not defined. Here, question number 2 you can see. Question number 2. Here it have given for each of the exercises given below, verify that the given function, here is solution of the corresponding differential equation. You have given here x, y. Question number 1. x, y is equal to a e to power x
plus b to the power b minus
b to the plus
x square.
x square. So that this is the solution of the given differential equation x d2y dx2 plus 2 d by dx plus 2 d by dx minus xy plus x square minus 2. It is equal to 0. Yes, that is minus 2, it is equal to 0. It means you have to show that this is the solution of this differential equation. What will you do? At first differentiate it. Clear? So at first differentiate it and put the value in this equation. When it comes out to be 0, then this will be the solution. If it is not 0, this will be not the solution. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So differentiate it. It is given that dxy a to the power x d to the power minus x plus x square. Here first function, differentiation of second, clear? Plus second function, it is equal to a e to the power x minus b e to the power minus x plus 2x. Is it clear? And again, here, if you differentiate first function, differentiation of second, so first function d2y dx2, clear? So here first function differentiation of second plus second function differentiation of first plus d by dx. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Plus y.
y का d by dx हो जाएगा केवल. First function differentiation of second d2y dx2 plus second function dy dx into dy dx of x common होगा plus dy y का dy dx. Clear? It is equal to a e to the power x plus b e to the power minus x plus 2. Now here you see this implies that here x d2y dx2 plus 2 d by dx, it is equal to x d2y dx2 plus 2 d by dx. it is equal to a e की power x plus b e to the power minus x plus 2. Here what you see here, x d2i dx2, 2d by dx. हम एक काम कर लें कि इसकी वैल्यू को यहाँ पे पुट कर दें ना, डी बाई डी एक्स की वैल्यू पे। ये वैल्यू हम उठा करके जो हमारे पास आई वैल्यू इसके प्लेस पे पुट कर दें, और इसकी वैल्यू जितनी आए अगर पुट कर दें, अगर जीरो हो जाता है तो दैट विल बी द सोल्यूशन। व्हाट यू गेट हियर, x d2i dx2, 2d by dx. Is it clear? It is equal to a e to the power x plus b e to the power minus x plus 2. हमें यहाँ से वैल्यू इतनी वैल्यू मिल रही है ना, डायरेक्ट इस वैल्यू को उठा करके यहाँ पुट कर दें। If you get it zero, then it will be solution. But here it is not zero. You see this? Put the value from this is 1. From 1, put the value of x d2i dx2 plus 2d by dx in the given equation. Equation x d2i dx2 plus 2 d by dx minus xy x square minus 2 it is equal to 0. You put the value here. What is the value? A e to the power x, a e to the power x, b e to the power minus x plus 2 minus xy plus x square minus 2, but it is not equal to 0. Is it clear? If you put the value, it is not equal to 0. 0 नहीं हो रहा है. So therefore xy is equal to, it is not equal to 0. Therefore xy is equal to a to the power x. या हम कर सकते हैं this equation 1 ऐसे ले लें. The equation 1 is not, therefore
क्यों हो जाएगा, बन तो पहले ही नहीं।
हाँ एक्चुअली इसको क्योंकि पहला यही था ना, खैर कुछ भी कर सकते हो इसमें, इसलिए तो हमने इसको इस फॉर्म में ले लिया था। So equation 1 is not the solution of this differential equation. Is it clear?
Yes, yes.
Question number 2, you have to see second part of this equation. Second part, अगर ये 0 हो जाता so that would be the solution, but it does not satisfy. Next, second part you can see y is equal to e to the power x a cos x plus b sin x, a cos x plus b sin x, so that this is the solution of the differential equation, and differential equation is d2i dx2 plus minus 2 dy dx 2 d by dx plus 2y is equal to 0 plus 2y is equal to 0. What you have to do at first, differentiate it. Second time you differentiate and to put the value of d2y dx2 d by dx in this equation. If it is 0, then this will be the solution of this differential equation. So at first you have to differentiate it. Here d by dx, it is first function in bracket minus a cos x plus b cos minus a sin x plus b cos x first function differentiation of second plus second function here a cos x plus b sin x into e की power x. Is it clear? E की power x you can take out common, and here b minus a sin x plus b plus a cos x. Is it clear? This is d by dx. Clear? Now d2i dx2. Again differentiate d2i dx2. It is equal to again the first function e to the power x b minus a cos x minus b plus a sin x plus b minus a sin x plus b plus a cos x here e to the power x. Clear? Now e to the power x take out common, b minus a cos x, b plus a cos x. What you get here? B minus a plus b plus a cancelled out, 2b cos x. Is it clear? B minus a cos x plus b plus a cos x. So b minus a plus 2b cos x. 2b cos x. Here you see sin x. It is a minus b. B minus a minus b minus a minus 2a 2a sin x. Is it clear? Now you find here it is d by dx. It is from 1 d by dx, from 2 from 1 you find it d by dx. Here it is d2i dx2. Put the value and here in this equation. Here put the value d2i dx2 d by dx plus value of y, all value. It comes out to be 0. Then this will be the solution of this given differential equation. Is it clear to all? Yes. You will put the value of d2i dx2. Put the value, everyone has to solve it. Put the value d2i dx2. Here it is d2i dx2. From 2 it is d by dx e to the power x b minus a sin x plus b plus a cos x. And value of y is e to the power x. सब में e की power x take out common. यहाँ पे सारी वैल्यू पुट कर दो. What you get d2i dx2 e to the power x. Put the value of d2i dx2 d by dx and y in the given differential equation. ये solution है, ठीक है? In the given differential equation ये 0 आता differential equation. Clear? So what you get here? If you put the value d2i dx2 here d2i dx2. Here you can take common here. It is e to the power x 2b cos x minus 2a sin x minus 2 d by dx e to the power x b minus a sin x plus b plus a cos x 2y plus 2y, and y is this value e to the power x a cos x plus b sin x, and you have to solve it. If this value comes out to be 0, then this given equation is the solution of the differential equation. Here, this is equal to, at first e to power x take out common. Here 2b cos x minus 2a sin x. Here minus 2b minus a sin x minus 2b plus a cos x. Here plus 2a cos x plus 2b sin x. Is it clear? So this is equal to e की पावर x. इसको एक बार सिंप्लीफाई कर लो. sin x here, इसको अच्छा मल्टीप्लाई भी कर सकते हो. Now 2b cos x minus 2a sin x minus 2b sin x plus 2a sin x minus 2b cos x and minus 2a cos x plus 2a cos x plus 2b sin x. Now you can see 2a cos x. Here 2a cos x, 2a cos x. Is it clear? This can 2 minus 2a cos x cancelled out. 2b sin x minus 2b sin x, it is also cancelled. Here minus 2b cos x plus 2b cos x minus 2a sin x minus 2a sin x. Is it clear? And this is equal to 0. Is it clear to all? Therefore, y is equal to e की power x a cos x plus b sin x is the solution of the differential equation of d2y dx2 minus 2 dy dx plus 2y it is equal to 0. ऐसे ही सॉल्व करेंगे. इज इट क्लियर टू ऑल? हम पुट करेंगे वैल्यूज को, डिफरेंशियल कोएफिशिएंट की वैल्यूज को, एंड इफ इट गेट्स 0 then that will be the solution. One more question you have given here. Question number 3. Third part of this equation you can see. Third part, you have given here y is equal to x sin 3x. Y is equal to x sin 3x. Clear? And prove that d2y dx2 d2y dx2 plus 9y minus 6 cos 3x. 6 cos 3x. You have to show that this equation is the solution of this differential equation. What will you do? At first differentiate the 2 times and put the value of d2y dx2 in this equation. If it comes out to be 0, then that will be the solution. Try, everyone have to try it. Very simple. Because try this, so that this equation, the solution of the differential equation, at first we will differentiate d by dx. It is dx 3x cos 3x plus sin 3x. Is it clear? Next, d2i dx2. डिफ्रेंशिएशन आता है सबको? कंप्लीट हो गया डिफ्रेंशिएशन? हाँ यार, एग्जाम रखना, ये सब डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन का यूजेज यहाँ है. इंटीग्रेशन और डिफरेंशिएशन इंटर रिलेटेड है. 40 मार्क्स से ऊपर पर वेटेज इसी का है. तो इस नाते इस पर थोड़ा टेंशन रखना. हमें देखो, फर्स्ट फंक्शन डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ सेकंड एंड प्लस सेकंड फंक्शन डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ फर्स्ट. हियर अगेन यू सी 3 माइनस फर्स्ट. हियर से बाहर करो, x इंटू माइनस 3 साइन x प्लस 3 साइन 3x प्लस cos 3x प्लस 3 cos 3x. It is equal to minus 9x sin 3x plus 3 cos 3x plus 3 cos 3x and here minus 9x sin 3x 6 cos 3x. It is d2i dx2. Clear?
तो sin 3x x के पावर में है.
क्यों में है?
अरे पावर
x sin 3x है.
तुम भी अपना थोड़ा सा चश्मा हुआ.
sin 3x है.
पावर में नहीं ऐसा सही है.
x sin 3x. Now put the value of d2y dx2 in that equation. It comes out to be 0. What you get here? Y is equal to x sin 3x. Here if you put the value of d2y dx2 in this equation and the value of y, so therefore d2y dx2 that is minus 9x sin 3x plus 6 cos 3x plus 9y. Y is x sin 3x minus 6 cos 3x. देखो 0 आ रहा है, करेक्ट आ रहा है. तो कैंसिल आउट ना
0 से 0.
This is therefore y is equal to x sin 3x is the solution of the given differential equation. Given differential equation, that is d2i dx2. प्लस 9y माइनस 6 cos 3 ऐसे लिखो। ये तो कठिन नहीं, इजी है। ऐसे ही एक पार्ट और है लास्ट का, एक्स स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 2y स्क्वायर log y। फोर्थ पार्ट यू कैन सी fourth part, it is you have given x square is equal to 3y 2y square log y, x square it is equal to 2y square log y is the differential equation of x square plus y square dy dx minus xy equal to 0, x square plus y square d by dx minus xy it is equal to 0. At first you have to differentiate, find the value of d by dx and put in this equation. It should come out to be 0, then that will be the solution. So differentiate it at first, find the d by dx. Can you differentiate it?
Yes.
You know how to differentiate? Find out. I will see the differentiation. कई लोग हैं जिन्हें डिफ्रेंसिएशन भी नहीं मालूम। एक्स स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 2y स्क्वायर log y d by dx log y, you have to differentiate it. Try this. बहुत लोगों को डिफरेंशिएशन नहीं आता, मुझे पता।
With respect to x,
Yes, but you are writing money is 1 upon y. ना तो बहुत तेज कर रहा है ना बहुत मंदा कर रहा है। मुझे पता है बहुत डिफरेंशिएशन नहीं आता। क्या ये बहुत दिखाओ 2y स्क्वायर 1 upon y into d by dx ना हाँ प्लस log y 4y फिर d by dx आएगा बहुत गड़बड़ी होती है। हमारे दिमाग का साथ आधी क्लास को डिफरेंशिएशन नहीं पता। कुछ शर्मनाक स्थिति है, बोर्ड का एग्जाम होने वाला है। ईश्वर प्रताप स्थिति सही रखो। दर्दनाक स्थिति है, कुछ नहीं किए हो, केवल इलाज किए हो लॉकडाउन में। एक्स देख लो जरा ध्यान से। जब यू हैव टू डिफरेंशिएट 2x, it is first function 2y square. Can you take? You can take the first function 2y square. d by log y, it is 1 upon y into d by dx plus first function differentiation of second plus second function d by dx of 2y square, that is 4y into d by dx. Is it clear? Now you see this y cancelled out, so 2x is equal to 2y d by dx plus 4y, फिर आ जाना शुरू हो गई 4y log y d by dx. तो दोनों तरफ कैंसिल करो, x it is equal to y d by dx plus 2y log y d by dx. Here d by dx take out common, so y plus, even y भी कॉमन ले सकते हैं यहाँ पे ना, तो y 1 plus 2 log y and d by dx, it is equal to x, and here it is x. So what will be the d by dx? Y 1 plus 2 log y. Is it clear?
Yes.
Put the value of this d by dx in this equation. It should come out to be 0. Then that will be the solution of this differential equation. Now put the value. Differentiation नहीं आता. X square plus y square d by dx, x upon y 1 plus 2 log y minus xy. अब इसको फार्मूला की एक जीरो हो जाएगा, हाँ एक एक्स स्क्वायर है ना, इसकी वैल्यू को यहाँ पे पुट कर दो तब ना लॉग में आएगा. नाउ पुट दिस वैल्यू या तो दो चीजें, या तो एक्स स्क्वायर पुट करो या तो वाई की वैल्यू यहाँ पुट कर दो, तब भी आ जाएगा। ठीक, नाउ यू सी दिस एक्स स्क्वायर 2y स्क्वायर log y plus y square, and here x upon y log y minus xy. What you get here? Y square take out common. So y square 2 log y plus 1 into x upon y 1 plus, या ऐसे 2 log y plus 1 ऐसे लिखो माइनस एक्स वाई। व्हाट यू गेट इज कैंसिल आउट, एक्स वाई हो गया तो ये भी कैंसिल हो गया, बचा क्या एक्स वाई माइनस एक्स वाई। इज इट क्लियर टू ऑल? सो दिस इक्वेशन इज द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ दिस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन। इस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन को तब समझोगे जब डिफरेंशिएशन आएगा पहले। मतलब डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन में डिफरेंशिएशन और इंटीग्रेशन दोनों जरूरी है। अभी मैं अब इसके बाद फिजिक्स पढ़ाऊंगा 4th पीरियड, कि अभी सब्स्टिट्यूशन